Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to convert currency using the calculator app on an iPhone. So if you have an iPhone, especially on iOS 18, that has the new calculator feature, and I want to use the calculator app to convert from one currency to the other, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to convert currency using the calculator app on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the calculator app. Once you open the calculator app, click on the calculator icon beneath 1, just before the 0, and click on it. Once you click on that, you should see this menu comes up. On the menu, locate and turn on convert. And then once you turn on convert, you should have this option added to the calculator. You can turn this to scientific and you can use this on normal calculator. So if you choose to go with scientific calculator, you will still have the option to convert currency. And if you choose to go with the normal calculator, which is the basic, then you should still have this menu to convert currency on the calculator app. Now, to convert between one currency to the other, you just need to do is click on one of the currencies here. Then if you are away from the word currency here, then you cannot just come here, click on it. Now you want to search for the currency you want to convert from. Here, if it is Naira, that is Nigerian Naira, to maybe United Dollar. So you're going to be United Dollar, which is US dollars. Then here, just type in the amount of Naira you want to convert to USD. So in this case, let's say I want to convert 5 million Naira to USD, and that you can see it's about 3,337.78 USD based on the market price at the moment. And this information was gotten from Yahoo Finance, and it was last updated 14 minutes ago. According to Apple, this was last updated 14 minutes ago. And also, you can switch between the two currencies you have here by using this up and down arrow. If you click on this, the first one will switch and then the last one will also switch. You see that? So that's exactly how to convert currency using the calculator app on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.